I see now. Hi guys! Oh my god, so it's been quite a bit of time, maybe like 3 weeks-ish since the last time I've done a video, and I'm so excited because I did some Amazon shopping and I wanted to go ahead and just pick up some like new stuff because I've been home and I just want to change things up a little bit. So I got some magnetic lashes, and y'all see it on Instagram. I know you do, the Moxie lashes and their other lashes. I know Moxie like is in my feed all the time, but I was like, okay, if Moxie's doing it, maybe there's somebody on Amazon doing it, and there was. I got the Aura Shine magnetic eyelashes, and this got like 3,000 reviews ish, 2,900 something. There's another one, I forgot who it was, but they got like 8,000 reviews, and I almost got that one, but the only reason why I didn't get that one specifically was because I was like, let me just start with something that has more natural looking lashes. This one seemed to have more natural lashes, just like wispy type, Ardell wispies, if you will. I don't know, we'll find out because I only saw what I saw on the internet. You know, I've been kind of busy. There's lots of projects going on. I started a t-shirt business, so there's that. You know, and I'll link all of that down below. It's specifically for Chicago, and I'm really stoked about it because even if you're not from Chicago, if you've been to Chicago and you know what Chicago is going through right now, especially with like the race divide and everything, I just wanted to kind of create something with the skills that I have and like the tools that we have at home, here at home, that really benefits our community. So it's called Chicago for Keeps, and every shirt, half of the proceeds are going straight to local organizations here that are really helping out the community in various types of aspects, which could be homelessness, could be, you know, providing resources and like educational opportunities for kids in like brown and black communities, which is something that I feel really passionate towards because that's something that I've dealt with growing up here in Chicago. So that's what I did for the past couple weeks. So I've been really busy. But we're here and we're gonna start this out. I mean, it's blue packaging. I guess you should do this proper, right? So it's blue packaging, it's white. It gives you some instructions in the back on how to use it, and I'm assuming should be fine. I realize now that I already have eyeliner on, so we'll put the eyeliner on top of my eyeliner. And ta-da! This is what they look like. So, okay, not bad for the options that you're given. These lashes look kind of big, so we'll see how this works out. Yeah, no, they seem to be rather wispy, and ooh, they're very soft. So far so good. They almost look like hairs, like real hairs. For 23 bucks, I'm actually pretty surprised at the quality of lashes given that I got these on Amazon. Okay, let's just test this out. I have never done magnetic lashes. I've done lash extensions. I hate glue lashes now. After lash extensions, I'm like, I can't go back to glue. So I just haven't been doing lashes since COVID. Also have a thing where I just don't like mascara. I don't know why. I can't get down to mascara. It's so annoying to me, and even for like a little bit I was like, should I just get back into mascara because I'm not gonna go get my lashes done anytime soon. And let's try doing maybe this second one. Let's try the second one, and then we'll kind of go through and test out what they look like. So pop this out, and I'm assuming, yeah, you just put eyeliner on. Okay, don't judge me. When you take it out, it's really black, so that's good. Like it's not like it wouldn't be black, but I'm just assuming that. It's nice to know, and it's very liquidy. I was told, or I was watching reviews online, where the girls were saying that they needed to put on quite a thick line of eyeliner, and so that's what I'm doing there. I don't really like liquid liners like this anymore because, you know, now that there's pen liners, it's just so much easier and lazy girl approved. But if it boils down to it and I'm in a bind and I need eyeliner, then I'll use this. So far, so good. Eyeliner is on. Oh, they're actually showing you how to put eyeliner on. This is like an instructional on just how to apply eyeliner on your eye, mostly. Because it doesn't get until, because the instructions don't even include the lashes until like step 5 out of 6. That's hilarious. I think we need to let these dry quite a bit. I'm assuming you should let these dry because then you're putting on your magnet and the eyeliner is still wet. So I don't know why it feels a little bit tight on this side, like the eyeliner is pulling a bit, but I believe it's dry, so let's give it a go. So you get these tweezers, nice. They seem sturdy, like they're metal. And now we're going to grab them. Oh, okay, so the metal band is a lot bigger. I thought that was part of the actual band and I was nervous. I was like, ooh. Oh, now that it's like that, I'm gonna go for a bigger set because I want to see how impactful these can be. Let's go for this third set. So let's go for this set. Go big or go home, you know? So now, I guess we just... Ooh, they're sticking. Oh yeah, these really do stick. I'm assuming if you're good at putting regular lashes on, you'd probably be much better at this than I am. Okay, so these are the lashes. These are huge. But I'm here for it. So I would say for me, these are a bit long because I don't have big eyes. What I'll probably end up doing is cutting them down a little bit or trimming them a little bit. Oh yeah. I feel like once you get the hang of it, it's not, I mean, it's not that bad. You know, like, oh. It's crazy! Okay, I see now. I see now. So this is the third set. They do feel, I'm not gonna lie, like right here in the center part, the smaller part of like your smallest part of your eye, right here, I do feel it when I blink. I mean, I feel it's like with any lashes, when you put on like a strip of lashes, you do feel it in that inner corner of your eyelid. But I mean, that's normal if you're wearing lashes, you know that. They're relatively comfortable. Besides that, I feel like if I do trim them, you know, ooh, adjusting it does help. Adjusting it has helped. I feel like once you know where you want to place it and you kind of get into a better groove of that, then you'll have like a really comfortable routine with your lashes. But yeah, no, it's pretty crazy that these are on and they're not going anywhere. I'm like blinking as much as I can and they seem really secure. Like they're really really, like, they're pretty secure. Like, you really have to pull on them. I mean, this is, yeah, I'm like probably trying to pull my eyelid, which is probably not a good idea. They're just as secure as they would be if I was wearing glue, lash glue, which I hate. And I'm so glad I don't have to wear lash glue anymore. And then you just take them off. A little bit of eyeliner seems to get on here, so I think that's why you want to clean them. Or you just really, wait until your eyeliner dries. Like, yeah, this one's not as much eyeliner came off. Let's try the shorter set that is more appropriate for, I don't know, Zoom calls, possibly. Yeah, so for Asian girls, you definitely want to trim these puppies down a bit. But this is almost the shortest set. Yeah. I'm gonna cut off like a whole chunk. Like, this whole chunk is gonna be cut off. Yeah. I mean, you have to adjust lashes anyway, so that's totally fine. I feel like that's extremely normal for everybody. They make these lashes to be like, to suit really big eyes, and then everybody who has smaller eyes kind of has to just like work around it. For being so affordable and also being something that is going to make my life so much easier, I'm here for it. I think that it's just a really good investment for me personally, because this is just wonky. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna leave this one there. But I think this is a pretty good investment for me, mainly because since I'm working from home for a majority of the year now, maybe even to next year, I'm not even really too concerned about wearing makeup. I'm not really gonna be somebody who gets my lashes done as much anymore, and I just don't like mascara as it is. Obviously, they have to be adjusted to fit the size of my eyes, but under first impressions, I am totally here for this. Like, do it. I think $23 is really worth it. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. And even this set, which is like the shorter set, you put this on and you just feel, more glamorous, even through my like messed up job here. I mean, I just feel like you put it on and you get that mascara look that you want, and these short ones are like extremely comfortable. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope that it's fun, and if you want to give Magnetic Lashes a try, this is giving you some insight. I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment. There's so much more I wanted to share with you. I have a whole bit of skincare that I'm just kind of like testing right now. I have some Korean beauty that I really want to share with you guys. So definitely, if you do like skincare and you are trying to just like get a good deal and figure out what works best for you and your skin, then yeah, join me. I would love to have you along for the ride. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!